So hello guys, Sumrock Luna here, and last Sunday nga pala. Ito nga pala yung napagtripan ko. Naisip ko yung Jada Akuma action figure gawing Shin Akuma. So na-inspired ako dun sa nakita kong picture from Street Fighter na Shin Akuma na ginawa ng Sideshow na 10th year anniversary. So ang idea ko lang is palitan ng colorway yung hair from red, gagawin natin white or silver white, pero meron lang akong white ngayon, so white lang ang gagawin natin. And at the same time, lalagyan natin siya ng Japanese kanji sa back niya, which is also known as 10, and it translates to heaven or sky. So yun yung idea ko last Sunday na ginagawa tong semi-custom. So I'm using a white paint oil base na pen. To-check ko kung applicable siya sa plastic na hair, soft plastic doon sa hair ni Akuma. Kapag hindi, I might as well alternate or recreate the version again pag nakabili na ako ng new paint from Komodo Dragon. Yun yung Komodo, yun yung bala kong paint na gamitin. So ayan guys, so let's check it out if it's okay. So yun na nga, habang pinapatuyo natin ang new hair look or color ni Akuma, ito naman inuukit ko yung kanji symbol na word 10 or yung logo, which is heaven or sky, and then i-repaint ko. Kasama ang palad nga, while I'm doing the pre-painting, yun nga, napakapalan ko masyado yung paint, medyo sumagwa ang dating. Pero sa akin, okay na rin yan para magmukha namang burnt or scar sa likod ni Akuma talaga. So, yun lang guys. Check out nyo na lang yung final outcome ng Shin Akuma natin. So, this is the final outcome ng aking simpleng custom na Shin Akuma. So, I need to revise again yung sa hair dahil hindi ko makapit masyado yung oil-based paint. I need the acrylic paint talaga for this one. But overall, it's 30-70, 30 okay, 70% needs improvement talaga. So, yun lang guys, Sumrock Luna out. Just want to share. Bye-bye!